CarX, Best Car Experience in the year 2024. Here is a curated list of the top 5 Indian cars for the year 2024, each distinguished by their exceptional user experience, thoughtful ergonomics, intuitive touch panels, and superior sound systems. At top 5, Hyundai i20. Attract attention. The new Hyundai i20 captures attention wherever it goes. A mesmerizing new grille, resplendent DRLs, and tail lamps make it a sight to behold. Its magnetic personality is sure to attract minds and hearts alike. Soothing blue ambient lighting complements the luxurious and sophisticated interior. Ambient lighting elevate your senses to a new high. 26.03 centimeters HD touchscreen infotainment and navigation system, best in segment. 26.03 centimeters HD touchscreen infotainment with Blue Link comes equipped with onboard navigation, smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Bose Premium 7 speaker system. The new Hyundai i20 brings together the best-in-class technology to make your drives unforgettable. Feel every note of your favorite tunes, powered by the high-end Bose sound system. Voice-enabled smart electric sunroof. Electrically controlled smart sunroof with one-touch operation for added convenience. At top 4, Tata Altroz Racer. Gold standard of design. Designed to devour, the Tata Altroz Racer brings the thrill of the tracks to the usual Indian roads. Sporty interiors. Get the unique racer's thrill as you steer through open roads in this spacious cockpit. Exquisitely crafted, every inch of the interior is sure to leave you wanting for more. 26.03 centimeters touchscreen Harman infotainment. Dive into a world of smooth touch, immersive audio, seamless navigation, and endless connectivity with the top-notch infotainment system offered in the Tata Altroz Racer. IRA connected car technology. The seamless connection to your Tata Altroz Racer IRA connected car technology executes the most crucial function on your command. 360-degree surround view system, SVS. Parking is easy for racers, but with the Tata Altroz Racer, it gets even easier. Thanks to the 360-degree camera that is specially designed to simplify your life. At top 3, Citroën C5 Aircross. The Citroën C5 Aircross SUV comes with dynamic design and the cocoon effect that redefines elegance. The advanced comfort makes the interior feel more like a contemporary lounge. Smart driver's display. With 3 personalization modes and 3 ambience options of brown, blue, and red, the 2 digital displays are customizable for your taste and mood. Intelligent infotainment. The perfectly positioned new 25.4 centimeters high-definition gloss black capacitive touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, enabling easy access to enjoy the features of your smartphone and stay connected with it on the road. This smart screen also offers dual-zone temperature control, reverse camera input, and the unique coffee break alert. In addition, it controls the unique Park Assist feature for parallel and perpendicular parking with automatic steering control. Park Assist. Perfect for parallel or bay parking. This system detects a space, then automates the steering to park in complete safety. All you need to do is engage the gears and control the accelerator and brake. At top 2, Kia Seltos. Tech is now badass. Dominant, confident, and exhilarating. With a strong, chiseled look and a formidable stance, the new Kia Seltos showcases its badass traits. The SUV car features highly powerful and fuel-efficient engine options, along with 32 safety features including 17 autonomous ADAS Level 2 features. The reinvented Seltos compact SUV has everything it takes to be a badass on the road. Panoramic display. New Seltos hosts 2 screens that can be controlled independently, ensuring a wider and more immersive viewing experience. Smart 20.32 centimeters heads-up display. A transparent and smart 20.32 centimeters display projecting an image equivalent to an 8-inch screen onto the windshield for maximum visibility and convenience. OTA map and system update. Through OTA map and system updates, the badass is always in sync with the future, ensuring you're always connected to the latest advancements. Kia Connect skill with Amazon Alexa. Experience the future of climate control with the intelligent dual-zone AC. Tailor your comfort with precision, making every ride an oasis of personalized relaxation. At top 1, Mahindra wins the race. The XUV 700 radiates refined luxury, while sci-fi technology takes the driving experience to a whole new level. From cutting-edge innovations to heart-racing dynamics, this mean machine of an SUV is obsessively engineered to dial up adrenaline. Intelligent cockpit, a command center that seamlessly blends advanced technology and refined luxury with its captivating dual 26.03 centimeters displays and intuitive features. Adrenox Connect app. Intelligent technology is at your fingertips with Adreno X Connect. Track your vehicle in real time, lock and unlock it remotely, and even turn on the AC of your XUV 700 AIL with just a few taps of your phone screen. Immersive 3D sound technology. Developed in partnership with Sony Corporation Japan, this immersive first-in-class 12-speaker and 3D sound system is designed to take your listening experience to a whole new level. Alexa built-in integration. From opening the skyroof to remotely switching on the lights in your home, you can now do almost anything from your XUV 700.
If you find this video inspiring, do not forget, like, share, and subscribe AIXPro.invideos.